Welcome back, and if you're joining for the first time, welcome. I'm Riaan Miles, and today I'm talking to you about the significance of Google Business Profile reviews. In this video, I will also be sharing strategies that you can use to gather more effective reviews and rank better in the business profile space. Are you ready? Let's go. Not only will positive reviews influence new buyers and their decision making, but it will also help your company to rank higher within the Google My Business Profile space. So if you're a new listing, you might be positioned right at the bottom of that space. But these positive reviews sends a signal to Google, and Google will start ranking you up so you get closer to the top. Remember, the higher you rank at the top, the more eyes on your listing, the more leads, and the more sales opportunities. So why does gathering more reviews matter? Well, a steady stream of new reviews shows prospective clients that your business is active, growing, and that you are generating a ton of business, leaving them to think, if these people trust him, why not me? Let's connect. One of the things that happens organically when people leave you reviews, it starts showing you what is really important to your clients and what attracted them to you. It allows you to work on strategies to increase these kind of service deliverables to also then generate more clientele. Let your client tell you what they want and what they liked. So then there's negative reviews. And it drives me nuts. We're sitting in the situation where we have 155 five-star reviews and one bad review or 1 star from a disgruntled client. But you know, I learned from this disgruntled client. When you get some negative reviews, and it's a given, there will be some negative reviews. Learn from that experience. Respond to that review. In a different video, I will give a detailed explanation on how we should be responding to negative reviews. But the one thing that the negative review will do is it will teach you how clients experience the service delivery, which department is working well, which department might not be firing on all cylinders, and it helps you then change and adapt so that you can become better and better. So now that you know that having positive reviews are really important, how do you generate more? Consistently delivering more than exceptional service will encourage your clients to leave a review. And you know who these clients are. At the end of this video, I will show you how you can send a link to these clients. You know you've underpromised and over-delivered. You've exceeded the expectations. You've absolutely blown his socks off. I will show you at the end of this video how you can send a simple link to that client via WhatsApp or Skype or email that will encourage him to leave you a review. So stay to the end. Timing is key. So ask for the review just after you've concluded a really successful business transaction, or you've delivered exceptional service and the client is smiling. While he's smiling, make sure you get the link to him to ask for that review. That helps encourage not only to leave a review, but also to leave you an exceptional review. The kind of review that a company like yours deserve. When you send the link for the review, also personalize that request. Don't just send a link. Send a message. Tell him how you also experienced doing business with him. Tell him, it was fantastic doing this business with you, and I loved every second of it. And we hope you're happy, and if you're not, remember we're here. The after-sale service is as important as the sale to us. But while we're talking about the experience, don't you want to do me a favor and leave a review about how you experienced doing business with me? And help me encourage people like you to find us online and choose us as their perfect partner for their next business transaction. So personalize that message. Get the timing right. Personalize the message. When asking for reviews, leverage all the channels that you market in. Send a request out to clients via your email marketing campaign. If you have a social media footprint, why not ask for a review there? The link that I'm going to share with you will be shareable. You can put it in an email. You can put it on social media. You can embed it within a MailChimp marketing strategy. Let's say you're doing email marketing. You can send it on WhatsApp or in Skype. So leverage all the channels that you use for marketing. Don't just use one. This one is tricky. Discounts and rewards. I'm not totally sold on the idea of asking somebody to leave you a good review and then rewarding him with something. I believe that if you're a great company delivering great service, that the reviews should come to you. But lots of companies, people like Takealot and alike, Amazon does the same thing, have incentives that they send to clients or buyers that when they leave a review, they have a chance to win a prize or to get a discount on their next purchase. So if you have an incentive scheme like this, leverage it, use it. I'm not sold on the idea. Maybe I'm old school, but if you have such a scheme, why not? Send that email marketing, put that post out in your social media. If you leave us a review, we'd love to give you a discount on your next purchase. Why not? It's up to you. Engage people that leave you reviews. Reply to those reviews, even if it's just thanks. Loved working with you. The project was magnificent. And they're not always positive. They're also negative. So if there's a negative review, for now, the least you can do is to acknowledge that review and to say, I apologize. I'm sorry that you feel that way. We are trying our best. Please let us know how we can improve our service. Do at least something. On the positive reviews, if it was a magnificent project and you want to plug some keywords into that reply, why not? If you created a bathroom extension and you're a builder, say, working on your bathroom extension for us was amazing. Plug some keywords in your response if you can. If you know these are things that people are searching for and you put keywords within your response, the same with the person leaving the review. When they leave keywords in their response, Google knows what it's about and you start ranking better for those specific search terms. Plug those keywords if you can, but do respond. You can respond shortly, but do respond to all reviews. Companies that respond to reviews send a very strong signal to prospective clients that we will respond no matter what. You are very safe when you deal with us. By providing exceptional service, by streamlining the review process, and by responding to reviews, you are building a massive influence within that space. People will start connecting with your business just because they love the way you work with clients, the tone in those reviews, your response to those reviews, and that there are so many reviews. We've had many clients choose us because they said, I've read your reviews and you are the perfect match for me. So when you do your marketing strategy, make sure that you build a really effective review strategy within that marketing mix. Now, the much anticipated link that can help you get those reviews. So it's as simple as this. Go search for your business, but search on your business name. Open Google, type in your business name, press enter. Remember, you need to have an existing Google business profile. If you have, you'll see a switchboard that will open at the top that looks similar to this, your business on Google. To the right at the bottom, you'll find this icon, Ask for Reviews. All you need to do is click. Now, the link that you need to share will be shown in this text box over here. This is the copy command. Click it. Now you can go to something like WhatsApp and you can paste and you can send. Now that you've sent the link to your client, he'll just click on the link and a pop-up window will appear on screen where he can leave that review for you. So you can then select a star rating and then type whatever message you would like to convey, not only to you, but also to prospective clients. You can leave a message and you can also add photos of the project. Once the client has reviewed you and added his text, photos, whatever you need to, you'll then click post, and within a few minutes, you'll have a brand spanking new fresh review from clients telling prospective clients how amazing you are.